guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play songs during call 2026. So as we all know, a lot of people want to actually be playing song while making calls, so you can actually do that by doing this, as you can see on my screen. So first thing first, you have to open up your phone settings just like this and scroll down to sounds and vibration. So once you're there, you scroll down to sound quality. You click on separate app sound. So once you click on that, you can see play media sound from apps you select on separate audio app device. So actually you're going to make use of your Bluetooth, that's your headphone or your AirPod or your earpiece. So now you click on turn on now, just like this, and you click on select. So you are going to ask to select the apps you want to play on a different audio device. So maybe your headset or your headphones. So you pick one. After picking one, so I'm going to pick YouTube, and now you're asked to select the audio you want to use for the apps you selected. So you can click on your phone or your Bluetooth device. So this is actually how to play music and videos on phone call. If this guide is helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more for tips like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.